कैसे बयां करूं उस वक्त को जो वक्त नहीं कहानी है, जिसे याद करके आज भी उस मासूम की आंखों से झलकता पानी है। दहशत की वजह से वो सहता हर गम था, बदनामी के डर से वो चुप रहता हर पल था। छुपी भले ही होठों पर थी, दिल में एक तूफान सा था। रूह आज भी पवित्र है, बस जिस्म हुआ नापाक था। कैसे निकलूं इस जिस्म से जिसके हर एक हिस्से पर उसका निशान है। अब रहना जिंदगी भर इस जिस्म के साथ है। क्या हर उस हिस्से को काट दूं जिस पर पड़ा उसका हाथ है। चुप्पी आज भी होठों पर है, दहशत दिल में वही पुरानी है। कैसे बयां करूं उस वक्त को जो वक्त नहीं कहानी है।
Making money in OC, LGBT to the Q, I to the K, I to the D. If you like the way I do it, that beauty follow me. All my girls, I'm calling Charlie, and she love the body too. If you kiss under and it's me, I love the.
I am Anku Singh of MBA HR. With the help of this video, would like to spread awareness about the rights and choices of the LGBTQ community. According to me, it is their right to love and to live. So spread love, not hate. And also support them. Feel proud to celebrate Pride. Thank you.
You don't have to be gay to be supportive. You just have to be a human. We all know love comes in many ways and many colors. And I love myself and I'm proud of myself. And I love everyone with every shade of my heart. Thank you.
LGBTQ community. Yes, there are people in our society who are slightly different from our conventional way of thinking. There are so many different colors on this LGBTQ spectrum. There's transgender, lesbian, gay, bisexual, gender fluid, gender queer. There are so many subgenres of people that exist in our society. These people should not be made to feel ashamed or afraid of who they are. They should not have to apologize for who they love. Because being yourself can never be the wrong thing to do. If we only took a moment to appreciate each other's beauty rather than attacking each other for our differences, it's not that hard, trust me, it's the easier and better way of living. This world would definitely be a better place. It is really time for things to change because a world will never truly be free if all its people are not treated equally. Because if all people were created equal, that's how they should be treated. To anybody who is being bothered or abused or harassed, I just want to tell you it will get better. We are standing right here by your side, supporting you because you deserve nothing less than that. Let's get to a point where we don't need to be separated by labels like straight, gay, lesbian, etc. Let's just be people, good, respectful people. Because love and respect are gifts of God, and that is all that we should spread. Respect for all, always. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, this is Shivani Verma from BBA first year, and here I am going to speak on the topic Awareness Campaign for LGBTQ Community. Starting with the first, equality means more than passing laws. The struggle is really won in the hearts and the minds of the community, where it really counts. Barbara Gittings once said that. Nature made a mistake which I have corrected. Christine Jorgensen once said this. My silence had not protected me. Your silence will not protect you. Audre Lorde said this. We need in every community a group of angelic troublemakers. Bayard Rustin once said this.
We should indeed keep calm in the face of difference and live our lives in a state of inclusion and wonder at the diversity of humanity.
Wait for someone else to validate my existence. It will mean that I am short changing myself. Hello everyone, my name is Dipansh Koshik and I am studying in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth University, Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship Development. And I want to discuss regarding LGBTQ. L stands for lesbian, which means one woman get attracted to another woman. G stands for gay, which means one man get attracted to another man. B stands for bisexual, which means one person get attracted to another person of same gender. T stands for transgender, which means the person's gender is completely different, which was assigned at the birth time. Q stands for queer. Queer is a word that describes sexual and gender identity other than the straight and cisgender. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Disha Bajaj from MBA HR and today I'm here to speak on the topic LGBTQ community, which I know everyone knows about it but no one wants to speak about it in open. So before moving forward with my today's topic, I would first like to quote some few lines. If I wait for someone's validation for my existence, it will mean that I am shortchanging myself. People discriminate on the basis of who they are, how they look and whom they love. So I have taken this small initiative and come up with the slogans in order to create awareness that LGBT is legal. More than that, it's an individual choice and right. So here I go with the slogans. My silence has not protected me, but my rights will surely do. Nature made a mistake, but I will correct it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Naneshwari Gade from First Year MBA HR. Today I am going to talk about a very sensitive topic, that is LGBT community. Rather than explaining it as lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender community, I would like to describe LGBT as life gets better together community. LGBT community is represented by various symbols such as rainbow or rainbow flags. Each color in a rainbow flag represents a various value in a community. As blue color represents art, green color represents nature, red color represents life, yellow color represents sun, orange color represents healing, pink color represents sexuality, violet color represents spirit. Life would be so boring without colors. Each color adds beauty in a life. In simple words, guys, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, people are people. If there are the things that are different, then that is the superpowers that they have. There is nothing wrong with you guys. There is a lot wrong with the world you live in. Simply, if anyone could have asked to chosen into gay or straight, I think one should have chosen to be a happy human being. Thank you.
Lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender. Over the past decade, these people have gained more and more acceptance and tolerance in India, especially in large cities. With this, I want to start with my topic, awareness campaign for lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender. These people are fighting for their equal rights and acceptance in the community. People in this community are looked down upon all the time. This is a major issue because discrimination against this community is highly prevalent. To honor the community, I have written down some slogans. तो क्या दिक्कत, वो लड़की सा बोलता चिंता जताता है, लिपस्टिक लगा के वो पल्लू भी कुछ यूँ घुमाता है. तो क्या दिक्कत, वो लड़की सा बोलता चिंता जताता है, लिपस्टिक लगा के वो पल्लू भी कुछ यूँ घुमाता है. फिर भी ना जाने समाज उसे किन किन नामों से बुलाता है, फिर भी ना जाने समाज उसे छक्का हिजड़ा गे कह के बुलाता है. मर्द होकर अगर वो औरत सा बरताता है, मर्द होकर अगर वो औरत सा बरताता है, ताऊ नहीं मूँछों पर कानों के पीछे वो चुन्नी लहराता है. ताऊ नहीं मूँछों पर कानों के पीछे वो चुन्नी लहराता है. पैरों में घुंघरू बांधना चाहता है, हाथों में डंबल नहीं, हाथों में डंबल नहीं, पैरों में घुंघरू बांधना चाहता है. ना जाने फिर भी समाज उसे किन्नर गे कह के बुलाता है. With this note, I only wanted to say that we should support these people because at the end, they all are humans. Thank you. Myself, Gagan.
It takes courage to grow up and become who you really are. So, as long as you are happy, does it matter who you fall in love with?
What is straight? A line can be straight or a straight, but a human heart, it's curved like roads through the mountains. Love has no gender.
When you look differently, you act differently. You begin to see differently. And when you see differently, you change the world. #love has no limits.
Hello everyone, Tanya this side from MBA HR branch. The more equality, the more hope. The more humanity, the more pride. The more acceptance, the more love. Along with this, every gay and lesbian person who has been lucky enough to survive the turmoil of growing up in the survival. Survivors always have an obligation to those who will face the same challenges in the society every day. When we are free to love anyone we choose, when this world's big enough for all the different views, when we all can worship from own our kind of position, then we shall be free. So here I am supporting the LGBT community.
Hi everyone, this is Vaishnavi Singh from BBA First Year Section D, and I'm here to talk about LGBTQT community. It's very important to love people for who they are. So, hey, hey, ho, ho, homophobic's got to go. 2468, how do you know your child is straight? Pride is for everyone, no exceptionals. For so many people, pride isn't just a month, it's a way of living. So, we need an equal world and equality for all. Have a good day.
Let girls be boys and let boys be girls and let them be both. Don't hate them because they are different from you. Rather be proud because they're the special ones that just came out of you. Hashtag change the mold.
LGBT is not a problem, not just a choice as such. LGBT individuals are mainly who have sexual preference that different learning behavior and having personal perspective and mindset. If a normal man and woman have the right to live in that society with respect, then why not a person belong to LGBT? They are born to be real, not to be perfect. Keep supporting them.
The many people in India look at the LGBTQ community with indifference or treat them with slice or disrespect them. But that is totally wrong. LGBTQ community is a part of our society and they deserve every human right and respect from everyone. Pride is for everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Yashaswini. I am in my semester first year, BBA course, D Division. I am here to say slogans about the LGBT community and spread awareness about them. So I strongly and truly believe that love has no gender, and if you belong to that community, then not be afraid to show your true colors. Being yourself is never the wrong thing to do, and live your life the way you want. Love whomever you want, irrespective of their gender. And if someone's judging you or bullying you for being yourself, just ignore them and be bold and brave. Come out the way you are. Thank you.
Good morning, this is Mishri Rana. I am from BBA section C first year and my roll number is 121. So today I'm going to speak about LGBTQ community. So let's see what it stands for. L is for lesbian, G is for gay, B is for bisexual, T is for transgender, and Q is for queer or questioning community. So I guess many of you have heard this or even seen these things happen on the road while you're walking or while you're driving or traveling. तो आपने सुना ही होगा बहुत लोगों को अपने बच्चों को बोलते हुए कि आपको ही बोलते हुए कि आप लोगों को इन सबसे साथ नहीं होना चाहिए, मतलब ये बहुत गंदे लोग होते हैं, ये तो पाप होते हैं इस दुनिया में, पता नहीं किन्होंने किसी के में पाप किया होता है जिन्होंने इसको पैदा किया होता है, रोड पे आके उनको मारते हैं सबके सामने, एंड एक्सेप्ट ऑफ हेल्पिंग देम यू लिटरली जस्ट मेक ए वीडियो आउट ऑफ देम, लाइक अपने खुद के व्यूज के लिए. आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट रीजन डू यू डू दैट, बट दैट्स नॉट गुड. They need equal rights and equal respect. They are also humans. They are not aliens. Even aliens should not be treated like this. Some even people even say that they should do surgeries to be straight. Why do you want them to do surgeries? Like why? Is it like some other thing? Like they are from Mars? जो उनको इधर आने के लिए सर्जरी करानी है या क्या? No, they should not do any kind of surgery.
I, Shivangi Gupta, stand here to deliver a short speech on awareness of LGBTQ community. Everyone deserves love. The epithet describes the feelings of gay person. They are misunderstood, mistrusted, and sometimes harassed. It is a wonder that they are wished to hide their sexual orientation from others. Even the families have not been quite receptive.
Be proud of who you are. Be bold, be be gay.
Safe zone. This is a safe zone. I'm understanding, non-judgmental, and willing to provide an atmosphere of acceptance and assistance for the member of the LGBT communities. You choose to be who you are. You choose to be who you are. No one has the right to tell you, whether it's your career or your sexuality. It's your choice and your life. There is no shame in being happy. There is no shame in who you are. Stand your choice, raise your voice, and rejoice. Thank you.
I'm Shreyansh Mukharya, presenting you some LGBTQ slogans. God is great, gay is good. Gay by birth, fabulous by choice. Why be afraid to be engaged? Let's get one thing straight, I'm not.
Good evening.